2 badges. So let's do, only thing they need to do is hard. I don't even think anybody is run beginning. Wait, what? Let's do, oh man. Oh wait, it's not me. I guess. Let's see. Well, I hope this is gonna be fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Basically, what this video is about is we're gonna basically teach about parkour. I'm joking, we're not gonna teach about parkour. We're more gonna just do a video of athletics. Oops. Whoops. Slipped there. Yeah, sorry about that. I do, I can go in here now since I did finish 2. Sure, let's go. Whee! Basically, it's just with people who finish 2 of the obstacles. You can't go there until you finish 2 of the obstacles. So, yeah. Ooh. Oh gosh. Everyone died. The explosion scared me. Everything was so blurry. Well, this is gonna be fun. It's my first time doing a mic, so sorry. It's just I'm nervous. Ooh, another game. Let's hope I win this time. Ooh. Oh man, I didn't click the button. Whoopsies. Well, this is fun, but I'm probably gonna go back to Athleticscape. Is there no way to get back? Well, do you want? I'll just keep playing this then. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna be probably a bit quiet Sorry, it's just because I'm trying to focus the best I can. So you guys have a nice time seeing me. Oh man, this girl like pushed me. Jeez, I'm just trying to get through. I'm gonna return to Fly's Escape. I didn't see that button earlier. So, yeah. This is getting very fun. Let's get back to Flood Escape. I got a bit distracted. Let's go to the hard. Okay, well, how about since nobody is there and everybody's taking off it, so let's exit left. Let's do actually some practice since there's, let's go to hard. It's intermission. Gotta hurry. I'm gonna get through this. And no problem. Sorry guys, I got tripped out. My camera's so laggy. There. Okay, better. Hurry up, hard. Let's do this. This one's need to click that. Gotta do this. Well, let's do 2 more rounds, then let's do this. 1 more hard, and then I'll see if any more else are done. Oh, I got short. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Well, man. Let's hurry to the easy. Well, let's do medium. This will be the last time. I hope you guys are enjoying the landscape. Well, yeah, this is exciting. Hey, medium. I'm going to be talking a bit more and explaining the game more. Basically, how this works. Jeez. Well, I hope you liked this video. Give a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!